got an interesting item here that they're called Pineberries, and they look like strawberries, only they're a whitish color. So we're gonna take a look at these and see what they taste like. Tastes like a strawberry. So, there's the package. Kind of look like strawberries. Got the little leaves on the top in that. And so yeah, I'm up for these. Sometimes you associate things as being a certain color. And that's the way it is in your mind. But this is a different color, but tastes the same. Yeah, I don't have a problem with these at all. Pineberries. Pineberries. So I'm giving this one a thumbs up.